What's up, guys? So my name's Conrad. I'm sure sometimes your guys' headphones go like this, right? Like it kind of comes off like this. Does that look familiar? So I'm going to show you a super easy method to fix it. All you got to do is get a plastic card. I'm not going to make a long intro, not going to make a long video. I'm just going to give you the basics and show you how it's done, because I hate long YouTube videos that are pointless. So anyways, so let me just show you how it's done. So it's coming off right here, right? It's probably because, I don't know, I go to the gym a lot, work out, do a lot of running, jumping, a bunch of different shit. So that's probably why. So anyway, see how it's off like this? Listen, this is so easy. All you do is you take it, you move it over, okay? And then you just put there's a little groove, okay? So there's a groove, and you just have to put the card in the groove, right? So let's see here. Okay, here we go. Just find the groove and put the card in the groove, okay? And then if you want, like, see this little area sticking out right here, okay? Really easy. Just make sure you have it kind of so it grabs, so it's overlapping a little bit, right? And then you just take it, right? And you put it in the groove. Right here. Okay? Right there. There's the groove. Okay. Now, see? Good as new. So, if that ever happens, just get a card, right? Hotel card, credit card, whatever. You're gonna overlap it, so you're gonna pull it over, right? So you're gonna find this, you're gonna pull it over, and then as long as you have enough slack, then you just put the card in and press down, and then it will push it in the groove. That's it. That is how you fix your Beats headphones. Hope that helps. Thanks, guys.